We are back, you guys. Football. So you can't be an in-shape new home. So if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Jason. Welcome to the page. So this is a part 2 series. So currently, I asked my fans where we should plant our bird of paradise. We got option A, we had option B, we had option C, and guess what? We have an answer. It is option C. So today's video, we're gonna figure out where option C is, we're gonna plant it, we're gonna bury it, we're gonna enjoy it, and we're gonna have some fun. All right, let's go. First, acknowledge her sister, who's been planted, and she's doing fine. This is her other sister, which is doing great also. We planted these two, there were 3 in a pot. This was option A, and you guys said no to this, and I'm okay with that. This area was option B, and I'm okay with that too, you know, because it's like our garden. And option C is in this vicinity. But as you see, we kind of want a wall. Like, I want a wall. My goal is to build a baby jungle outside, and I got inspired one vacation. I was in Tulum. I was like, oh my gosh, I want this in my backyard. So this has been a series of converting my backyard into a baby jungle. Hence, the bird of paradise. So just to pan around, you guys see this like a hole right here. It's like a hole. So this is where she's gonna go, to fill in this hole so that it's gonna be like a wall. I always say, before we start this journey, we're gonna put on some gloves, but 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna take these off. I don't know why, I just always do, but at least I start with them. If you're like me, look, comment below. Step 2, we need a shovel because we're about to do some serious digging. We're gonna dig like 2 feet deep. Look how big it is. Number 1 rule, do not dig a shallow hole for large plants. The wind's gonna knock it over. I'm just saying. Now I wanna tell you guys a secret. The ground in my neighborhood is very, very rocky. When I mean rocky, it's like super chunky soil. So I'm gonna pre-soak it and it's gonna help a little bit, but it's gonna be a little workout, but thank God for these guns. So this is gonna be our area that we're just gonna pre-soak. Just a little bit, yeah, just a little bit. And my hose is bent, but this is good to start. That was a good one right there. Just gonna get all this out. Now you see these rocks starting to come out. I told you it was rocky. It's a rocky situation, but I love it. Imagine having built-in chunky soil mix at your disposal. No complaints here. What is this? Chunky soil mix plus tile. It's a perfect time for a trim. This leaf, gotta go. That's my ADD kicking in, y'all. I put the shovel right here just to kind of get an idea. And this looks perfect. So where the shovel is, that is exactly where our new bird of paradise is gonna go. And it looks perfect. It lines up perfectly. So that's a trick you guys can use. And that water we put in there has absorbed, so now it's time to dig it out some more. Y'all hear that? Super rocky. It's like a gift and a curse. Look at these boulders. See these boulders? I want to show you guys. Imagine every time you dig, you come across boulders like this. You see? It's a little challenging. Everyone wants chunky soil mix until it's time to get chunky soil and dig. So this is where we are. We gotta get a little bit deeper, but I want to give you guys an example of these boulders that just live unanimously in my soil. Ah, we got it. We got it. Look at this. Look at this. Big old thick boulder. Now it's time for some more water. It's like I'm making soup. Y'all heard that? Boulder City. I'm gonna let that sit for a second. Let the water seep in. It gotta seep in. Okay, we have some updates. Listen, the shirt had to come off. It was wet, my mic was slipping, but who said you can't be an in-shape gardener? Not me. Update number 2, we got a deep hole now. Look how deep it is. That's perfect. Perfect. We gotta lay her down slow, get her out. Almost like deja vu. Get her out. Perfect. Nice root ball. We're back. Take her over here. Place her in her new, is this the, let me go this way. Place her in her new home. Y'all like that spin, that mid-air spin? And now we're gonna start covering her up. Cover her up good. All the dirt. Let me do a quick check. Yep, I like it right here. Very nice. Now let me get my shovel. Kind of pack her in. Remember the mark we made. Now you see how it's seamless? I pan over. The filling is great, looking really good. I like it, you guys. What do you think? I'm gonna put some more dirt in, but I'm happy at this location. Great job, everyone. All right, let's put some more dirt on top. But I'm still gonna leave an area so the water can fill and catch. But this is an amazing project. I'm loving the outcome. Remember, we gotta pack it in. I'm loving the outcome. And the jungle is coming together, you know? I'm happy about what I see. Imagine when these all get big. Oh my gosh, you guys. Imagine that. Is water her. Ooh. Okay, here's a quick question too. What nozzle do you guys prefer all the time? I'm a shower guy. I love a good shower. Perfect. Okay, you guys, that's gonna conclude this video. Listen, I love it and she looks amazing, so shout out to everyone that voted. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. And if you like this style of content, I have other videos, go watch my other bangers. And like I always say, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your auntie, tell your uncle about my page. My name is Jason. I love y'all. See y'all next time. Ah!